Hey guys, what's up? Good evening. So yan, Toyota Veloz 2022 model up to this year, 2024. Ganito guys yung warning ng ating Toyota Veloz. Usually sa mga ibang car, it's a wrench logo lang yung pinapakita para kailangan mo na mag-require ng maintenance. But this time, it's a big box. So nakakainis, diba? How to clear that? You just have to press back. So yan, balik tayo dito. Punta tayo dito sa settings. Yan, punta tayo dyan. Oil deteriorate, warning reset. So yan, punta ka lang dyan and then activate reset. Yes, okay. Because resetting data, reset complete, and it's gone. So makapansin mo, wala na dito yung box, no new messages. So this no new messages, dito lumalabas yung mga error such as yan nga, yung oil deterioration warning. So yun, that doesn't mean your car cannot run, pero yan, it's just more of reminder na, hey, balik ka na kay Toyota because we care. Okay.